how to change your Gmail name. In this video, I'm going to show you two different ways to change your name on Gmail. First, the name that appears when someone receives an email from you, and then how to change your name within your Google account. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So if you want to change the name that appears on emails that people receive from you, we can easily do that by going to gmail.com, then going up and selecting the little gear and selecting See All Settings. Once in See All Settings, in this top menu, select Accounts and Import, and then you'll see Send Mail As, and this is the current name that people see when you send them an email. So to change that, select Edit Info. You can then change to your full name, or you can edit this however you want and select Save Changes. And then when you send an email, that will be the new name. Now, if you want to change your name on your Google account or Gmail account as a whole, rather than what is just sent to people, you can do that by going up to the top right, selecting your little profile icon, and then selecting Manage Your Google Account. From here, select Personal Information in the left menu, and then Name. And then now you can change your name and even give yourself a nickname on your Google account. So that's how you change your name on Gmail. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.